Hello everyone. This morning I'm going to unbox this Fourneau oven. It's an oven insert. I got it in the mail and it weighs 27 pounds. It's pretty heavy. And you're supposed to put this in your oven and it acts like a wood-fired oven. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. I'm pretty excited about it. I've seen it in advertisements that it was coming out, and the company offered to send it to me so I could give it a check out. So we've got this box here. Let's see what's... Here's the paper. We've got a nice magazine here to... so I can... Oh, that's a beautiful magazine. I don't know if you can see it there. A nice picture of some bread. I'm not sure, but I believe these are these go in the bottom of the oven. I don't know. I saw it in pictures. I haven't tried it out, like I said. And looks like a handle. My guess is the handle goes to this. Accidentally pulled that out when I opened it. I'm gonna have to stick that in later. Let's see. Not really sure how that goes in. There we go. Looks to me like you put your bread in with that. Then maybe it stays in there and you unhook the handle. Well, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Give it a try out and see what kind of bread comes out of it. See that? That looks like the door of the oven. And here's the insert part. That would be like your wood oven where you put your bread inside. And there's still another piece which would be the bottom. I'll set it down here. Hey, here's the last piece. Oh, this one's heavy. This would make a real good oven bottom. Let me set this aside. So, here's our bottom piece. And here's our piece where the oven part fits on top of the bottom. So there's that set up. There's the door. So it's kind of like a Dutch oven, only it's in the shape of a wood-fired oven. Two of these pieces here, which I keep pulling out. These mats here are oven safe. Open up your oven. Put your bread in. You've got your wood-fired oven insert. I really can't wait to try it out. I think it's going to be amazing. This is the Fourneau oven insert, and I'm really excited to try it out. When I bake a loaf of bread, I'll film it and I'll show you how it turns out. You can find a link in the description below the video. Happy baking, everyone!